Dude.
What? I've got to act British.
That's acting British? Are you an upstanding citizen?
Dress code violation.
Wait. I have a t-shirt over here. Yeah, that's what I said. I should wear that.
We're off the school on Tuesday. It's Friday.
Oh, that's not on there, right? My little schoolgirl shoesy. If it could focus. So cute! Oh, I almost forgot one of my most important accessories. Wait, I think my hair's too big with braids. I mean, my head's too big. What? It'll have to work. I hope I don't get oil stains with this.
When I'm half the day, I feel strokes of heat down my legs. When you close your lips and take the edge off of mother throne and off the meds. Penny in the socket, losing sense. Eyes all in my head, I'm obsessed. Pocket full of posies, I confess. I'm so full of voltage, shining red. Closer.
Wait.
I'll bring you to the edge of lucid dreams. Sleeping beauty.
Those are chicken
You're
fries.
supposed to do that in a pool. First. What is that actually?
Why?
I don't know. I just saw someone wearing camel clothes, and then I thought, yeah. Don't put that in your video.
It's not.
What's going on? People are talking about making out.
What?
What?
Dude, this video is crazy.
In the middle of the night, when the lights go out, and I'm all alone out here. Say what you want, say it like you mean it. We live this for. You would think I went to school for Calvin. Now you big that calling me not nigga too. I don't even try to trick you. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go back.
What is this? I would actually enjoy it though.
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, the Batmobile!
That's so dumb, right?
Love that song.
Oh God. You better upload this video soon so you get your like next road over. We can go down this one too. Listen, Ashley.
Who knocked over the red
Who
gate?
knocked over?
Spider-Man and Ghostface pulling up to the party.
You know, someone's gonna get stabbed. It's an actual business.
Uber drivers are having a horrible time.
Why are the wee-woos here? I think they're trying to party up.
Yeah. Bro, you think they're...
Why is there a dog here?
Is the dog partying?
Why is there a dog here?
So many people.
Get that for your YouTube video. Let's go.
I'm going.
Be careful.
Okay, I will. So we're gonna walk to this. Okay. This is like, why are there so many of them?
There's so many people out there. They're trying to break it up, bro.
What the heck?
I think they just brought everybody here.
Yeah, honestly.
I tell him about my first remote.
Can we go to Shine? That's what you're gonna. You better wear the. Did you walk in here with your shoes on? No, it's too big. It's wanted to be. Did you get a picture? Did you get a picture of it?
Sort of.
Okay.
Grab that lightning couth when you sing. Skinless fingers, that's my zing.